अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानावैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती.
Food, variety, materials, and sources. We know food, clothing, and shelter are the fundamental necessities of a living being, and food is the most important necessity, as food nourishes the human body, and the entire universe is sustained on food, life, mind, science, and happiness. To acquire all this, we should have food in abundance and make it available to others too. So, in order to carry out different activities, we need energy, and we get that energy from food. And to do different activities, in the sense, in order to do work, in order to exercise, and in order to do cleaning work. We also need different materials for growth and development of our body. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. The materials required for energy, growth, and development are nutrients. Basically, the materials required for growth and maintenance of our body are called nutrients. Food is the basic source of nutrients. The nutritious thing we eat for obtaining the nutrients is called as, or it is termed as, food. There are variety of foods present in India. For example, fruits, vegetables, cereals, eggs, fish, dairy products, and you have your meat. However, a single food does not provide all the nutrients. Therefore, we mix all these items to prepare a food dish. For example, dal. Dal is a famous Indian food dish which is prepared by the mixture of pulses, water, salt, oil, and spices. And the materials that are required or used to prepare a dish are called ingredients. We know the South Indian dish, Sambhar. Yes, Sambhar is a famous South Indian dish. The main ingredients of this dish include tamarind broth, water, lentils, oil, salt, and the main one is, yes, obviously, the vegetables. Now, this is how a sambar looks like, right? This is how we prepare sambar. Now, can you tell me what are the ingredients that are required to prepare a cooked rice? Yes, obviously, cooked rice. I'm speaking about cooked rice. You heard it, you heard me right. Yes, there are just two ingredients required. The first one is the uncooked or the raw rice, and second one is water. Wasn't that simple? It was that simple to cook a cooked rice. Now, we see there are variety of food dishes in different parts or regions of India. Here are some famous dishes in different parts of India. Try to find out the ingredients used to prepare these dishes. Now, tell me from where we obtain the food ingredients which are required to prepare a dish. Yes, the primary source of food ingredients are we obtain from plants and animals. The food ingredients we obtain from plants and animals, you heard me right. There are only two sources. From plants, we get grains, fruits, and vegetables. For obtaining these materials, in order to obtain all these materials from plant, we need to grow the same kind of plants in an area, and that is called as agriculture. And the plants grown in agriculture area are called crops. The crops which are used to obtain food are called as the food crop. Yes, you heard me right. They are called food crop. We are well known about the agriculture in India. The second source is animal, and the sources we get are milk, meat, fish, egg, chicken, fish, and many more. So, how can we obtain different food items from a single kind of food? For example, milk. From milk, We get cream, butter, curd, cheese. Yes, we get all the dairy products from milk. In the similar way, if you take fish or egg, from egg you can make out cakes, you can bake muffins, you can bake whatever you want. Yes, you can make an omelette, you can make anything, whatever you want from eggs. So, this is how different food items from a single kind of food are used, and we saw the food materials and sources available for food. Okay, so I hope that you guys have understood what is food, what are the varieties of food, and what are the sources of food. To acquire all these, we should have food in abundance and we need to make it available to others too. Food, we know it is our utmost importance for a gross body. Food is an incomparable friend that imparts happiness and is not envious to us. Food is a God provided medium for us to imbibe all our vital principles. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon for the more recommended videos. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.